Dear students, myself Momin Fasiyuddin Inayat, Assistant Professor and Head Department of Mathematics, Melia Art Science and Management Science College B. First of all, I welcome you all in BSc third year class. Today I introduce you the syllabus of mathematics of BSc 5th semester. In this 5th semester, you have to study 3 papers, and these papers are: the first one is having code MAT 501 with title Real Analysis First. Second, having code MAT 502 with title Modern Algebra First. And there are 3 papers. These are the optional paper. We have to select one of them. The first one is Mathematical Statistics First. Second one is Ordinary Differential Equation First. And third one is Programming in C. We have to select one of them. In our college, I selected the paper 504 Ordinary Differential Equations first, because this paper is very important as far as higher education in mathematics is concerned. So we have to study 3 papers: Real Analysis First, Modern Algebra First, and Ordinary Differential Equation First in this semester. Now we see the syllabus of each paper. The first paper having code MAT 501 with title Real Analysis First. In this paper, we have to study 4 topics. The first one is functions. Second topic is sequences of real number. Third topic is series of real number. And the fourth one is Jacobian. So in this paper, we have to study these 4 topics. To study these 4 topics, university recommended 2 books. And these 2 books are: the first one is Method of Real Analysis, having author R.R. Goldberg. And second book is Real Analysis by J.N. Sharma and A.R. Vasistha. First 3 chapters covered in the first book, and the last topic is covered in the second book. These 2 books are easily available in our library. Now we see the syllabus of second paper having code MAT 502 with title Modern Algebra First. In this paper, we have to study 2 topics. The first one is group theory, and second topic is ring theory. To study these 2 topics, again university recommended 1 book, and Title of that book is Topics in Algebra by I.N. Houston. In this book, two topics are covered. Now we see the syllabus of third paper having code Math 504 with title Ordinary Differential Equation. First, in this paper we have to study three topics, and these topics are: number 1, preliminaries; second, linear equation of first order; and third is linear equation with constant coefficient. So these three topics we have to study in this paper. To study these three topics, again university recommended one book, and title of that book is Introduction to Ordinary Differential Equation, Introduction to Ordinary Differential Equation by Earl A. Coddington. All the three chapters or topics are covered in this book. This book is also easily available in our library. Dear students, in this lecture it is clear that in the 5th semester we have to study 3 papers, and here also I have discussed the title of each topic in each paper. Actually, when we start the syllabus, we will discuss each and every article of topic. As far as syllabus distribution is concerned, I will teach you 2 papers. The first one is 501 real analysis first, and the third paper having code 504 ordinary differential equation first. And my department colleague Farra Fatima Neri madam will teach you the second paper having code 502 with title Modern Algebra First. Very soon we will start our syllabus. Thank you very much.